Eckhart, you talk about in an ever-changing world, a species needs to either adapt or they will die out. And then you go on to say, and I quote, that humanity is now faced with a stark choice: evolve or die.
There's so much to say in so little time. This is a song for those left behind, an insider's view to what's going on. If Christians are raptured away and are gone, in case of emergency, take this CD and make many copies to give away free. But first get a Bible and start reading now. The moment will come when they will not allow distribution, possession of anything Christian. You'll go underground, a secret resistance, and face persecution, imprisoned and beaten. Now is the time to make your decision, to battle his minions left on this earth, or fall for a false explanation. Prefer to be herded like sheep. The ancient delusion, the oldest of schemes, has come to conclusion. The mark of the beast from the father of lies, the angel of light, master of disguise. He's devising a plan, preparing us now, and through evolution convincing the crowds that aliens somehow are out there and bound to have all of the answers, empowered to know the solution. Like indigo children, smarter than humans, more intuition, much more evolved. They're sending a vision, prepare the whole world with a false explanation. If we're to evolve, we must remove Christians. They call it the cleansing, and this is their mission.
Evolve or die refers to whether humanity survives as a species. There is an enormous awakening happening on the planet.
The age of Aquarius, ending duality. Oprah, The Secret, and Eckhart Tolle preach what will bring in a new age reality, based in traditions of pagan theosophy, bound to be thousands of offshoots of Crowley, students of Alice C. Bailey, who follow the lies of Helena Blavatsky, radically altering, changing the pages of history, laying the groundwork forged by the tools of Lucifer, paving the way for the United Nations. A slow preparation, patiently waiting since the creation. The Garden of Eden, a planet whose placement in time is persuaded by aliens, outside invasions, abductions, and cow mutilations, creating an atmosphere ripe for the picking, with movies and Hollywood implanting trickery, mastery over the masses. The whole world collapses in panic, all desperate for someone to save them. Obey anyone that will answer the questions. The savior of sorts, a new age messiah. The wolf in sheep's clothing is what will transpire. The mayhem is out of control at this moment, a world full of chaos, confusion, and torment. I'm telling you, don't stop at anything. You can't afford to face life without Christ as your king. The moment might come when this song's a reality, trapped in a world where it's actually happening.
That's one of my favorite quotes that a significant portion of the Earth's population will soon recognize, if they haven't already done so, that humanity is now faced with a stark choice: evolve or die.
We were formed by His love, born by His touch, life to the lungs and the God we trust. Words at the chest carry sounds with breath. It's digest, down deep with the science. Tread lightly, don't sleep, silence is deadly. Ready yourself now, steady, act swiftly, think quickly. Be the salt of the earth, friendly, big smile, make others happy. Be alert and let His love give birth. Through your deeds and your works, we have been saved by grace. Born again, changed, praise His name. Testify, be a witness, act like Him, show others forgiveness. Hallelujah, lift His name on high. Raise your hands to the sky. Give all glory and praise to the Maker. Nothing is greater than our Creator. Hallelujah, lift His name on high. Raise your hands to the sky. Give all glory and praise to the Maker. Nothing is greater than our Creator. Follow His path, it's the one that is narrow. You may struggle, but He's won the battle. We're foreigners, we are not of this world. Born again, we are living examples. Give a hand and always be helpful. Put others first, seek to be humble. Share His love, spread the gospel. and don't get caught in the day-to-day hustle. Listen closely, pray constantly. He knows all your needs, he is watching. You're not alone, your cup runneth over. He feeds sparrows, he clothes flowers. He provides for his sons and his daughters. He is immortal, the source of our power. We can laugh in the face of disaster. We got problems, he's got answers. Hallelujah, lift his name on high. Raise your hands to the sky. Give all glory and praise to the Maker. Nothing is greater than our Creator. Hallelujah, lift his name on high. Raise your hands to the sky. Give all glory and praise to the Maker. Nothing is greater than our Creator. Even when life has you down in the dumps, when you can't take no more and you've just had enough, he's got your back, has control of it all, has a plan for the big and the small. Many tragedies bring majesty. He can turn suffering into beauty. Every struggle a new opportunity to be closer to him, grow spiritually, discover truth in the face of adversity. No need to worry, rest assuredly.